What's up, my curly-headed cuties? Curly cat here. Don't mind this wallpaper and don't mind my twist. I just really felt like I should do this video on my hair journey, the things I did before I transitioned, the research, the transition, and then the actual big job. So I'll be sharing with you the tips that I feel like everyone should know when they're transitioning, my experience, the very, very awkward photos of myself. It was hard looking back at those, honestly. I just hope you really like this and you find that inspiration within yourself to actually do it. Because results, although it's very awkward at first, I won't lie to you. For me, this was like, after you see all your hair gone, most of it was so shocking. You literally look like another person and you don't feel like yourself anymore. So I feel like for me, it was a journey of finding myself. And it should be something fun. You should enjoy it. So I'll be sharing that things with you and I will not keep on talking. So I'll just proceed to the video. I hope you guys like it. Give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe.
This is baby me. Hi. So I'm gonna make this transition very short from baby to teenage. So basically, my mom didn't really know how to handle my hair. She went to a consultant and the consultant, or the hairstylist back in my country, told her that I needed a perm to make it easier to manage, which wasn't really true. She later found out from another salon that all I needed was just to blow dry my hair. So ever since then, I just straighten my hair like the usual, with the blown out, the typical Dominican blowout, and I just kept it long. In my house, the thing that motivated me to go back is the second picture I showed you that is in the hallway, and I felt like there was a moment in junior year, or the transition to junior year, that I felt like I needed to go back to who I was because I felt lost. And for me, the only logical thing to do was just start over, cut my hair, and let a new beginning start. So this little piece of hair you see right here is me experimenting to see what my hair would look like. And with all the YouTube videos I saw, the research I did on hair type, conditioning your hair, transition, the oils you need to use, and all that, I felt like I should do this. Like, this is a way for me to do a fresh start. And as you know, I got scissor happy from this chunk. And I found out that I can't cut my hair by myself. Actually, I went to a professional the second day to get it fixed, like reshaped. And this is the final result. This is, I think, 1 month. It was actually like it was shorter than this. But I did it and I felt liberated. Your hair feels so dry. So I do recommend having like a mask on the side with oils and all that stuff. And yeah, I just kept recording the progress. I do recommend that you pause and think this through. For me, it was a tough decision, but I'm glad I made it. I don't regret it. But if you feel like you're the type of person that will regret seeing yourself in the mirror for a good amount of the month with all your hair gone, please think this through. Think of the positive things that could come out of it. Major tip, you guys. Keep recording the process. Take a few pictures here and there every month if you can. And keep trying new things for your hair. Only just now, when I actually got my hair professionally done, and by done I mean styled and trimmed, I just learned that my hair, I was doing not things wrong, but I should have done things better, because my hair is very dry and the products I previously used were not doing my hair any good. And right now I'm just focusing on the health of my hair rather than the length. Like I was here, I was focusing more on the length. And yeah, I just kept researching, doing my hair treatments. But you get tired eventually, and that's when I decided to do those braids that you see here. And turns out, braids are cute, but I didn't know that when you take them out, a lot of hair comes out too. Like, oh, maybe I didn't do it right, but that was my experience. They're pretty. I have only done those twice. And I'm actually trying to do them one more time, but in a different color. Once in a while, you get tired of doing your hair. And protective styles are just a way to give your hair a break from all the products you've been using while keeping it healthy. So fast forward to graduation day. Literally a year after I decided to do the big chop. And honestly, you guys, it has been such a journey. Only now I've truly learned what my hair actually needs. And I found out that for me, my hair was part of my personality, and that was something I was missing, something I was looking for, and I found it. So we've basically come to the end of the video. The only thing that's left for me to say here is to remember that there will be a lot of people trying to question you why you did the things you did, and they will try to put you down for it. The only piece of advice that I give you is to try to remember why you did this and to keep strong. Because for me, the same people that tried to pin me down were the same people later that were asking me for hair tips and telling me also how much they loved my hair. Keep your goal in mind. Keep the reason why you're doing this in your head. And keep the track of it. You will see the process is worth it. Also remember, this is a journey of finding what you love about yourself. For me, it was a journey of finding who I was. So try to keep that in mind. Try to have fun with it, because the happier you become with it, the faster it will go. So that concludes our video for today. Please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you next time.